So today we're going to learn how to make a PowerPoint presentation, and we're going to learn some functions of PowerPoint. So first we have to click here. You can choose whichever you want. I'm just going to click here, and then here we have to go to new slides, and then we have different kind of slides here, and we can pick whichever you want. So if we click here, so we have this here. In this place we can write titles, title, and then here we can add a photo or table, or a graph, whichever you want. So that we don't need that. Okay, so let's say today we're going to make a slide about seasons. So what we're going to do is add some slides here, and add some photos. We need photos and titles. So for the photos, I'm just going to go up here and then write the keyword of the photos that we want to download. So we're going to write summer season, and then if you click here, we've got all these section here, all image, books, videos, and everything. So we're going to click on the image and see there are lots of photos about summer. So we're going to click one, and then when it loads, let's say this one. So when it loads, we are going to save it. So here you go, save image, and then they're going to ask us why we want to save it. So we want to save it on the PPT, that is short for PowerPoint. So we're going to save it here and then done. So I went ahead and saved all the photos we need for the slides, and I'm just gonna use it and show you how to use it. So let's see here, we need 7 slides just for the time being. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and then we need one more. 6, 7. Okay, so we're going to go to our folder here. Our folder is this one, and then we're going to pick this photo and drag it up to the PowerPoint, and we're going to put it here. So you see it does not fill in the slide, so what we're going to do is like stretch it up a bit and fit the screen, so that, and then we need to add a title or a headline for our PowerPoint. So what we're going to do is go to insert, and then we're going to go to text box here, and then we're going to draw our text box, and we need a bigger size, so we're going to go with maybe 96, and then we're going to write as there you go. And then the black color does not look nice, so we're going to select this and go to fill option and then make it white, and then it looks a bit boring, so we're going to go up here, and then we're going to make it glow yellow. So that didn't work, and oh, that's shape option. We have to go and select format text and effect, right click on it, and then we have this glow option here. The middle part here, you can change the text fill and text outline, and here all the design option, and here the other option. So we're going to go with the glow and yellow, and let's play around a little. Maybe we're going to go choose this one so it looks nicer, and then we are going to, I think that's enough for now. So we're going to go and put it here, so there's a big contrast. Maybe it looks nicer here, so maybe in the center, like maybe it'd look better in the center. So there you go, that's how you design the first page. And then we're going to go for summer. So what we're going to do is go back and then drag the photo for summer and then put it in here. So we are not going to fill the whole page with the photo. We're going to keep a little space for the text. So for the text we're going to add from here, and then we're going to click this one and add a text box. We're going to add this text box here, so bigger size, there you go, and we're going to write summer. And then this text looks a bit boring, so I'm just going to go and change it a little bit from the style, like text style. So let's go with maybe this one. No, this one's my favorite. So there, done. And for the next slide we're just gonna go, we have rainy seasons after that, so we're going to go here and then drag it down and then go up here and then do the same thing we did before. We're going to adjust the size and then we're going to insert the text. So here the text box, click on it, and then we're going to add here, and then size, increase the size, so rainy season. That doesn't look nice. So if it doesn't fit, what you can do is like go up here and decrease the size and or increase the size. It depends on you, whatever you want. So that and this we are going to, I think that's okay, just the basic. For we're just learning the basics, so I'm just going to keep everything super simple. Here I just showed you how to change the text style just so you can try it out for yourself. And for the next things I'm just going to focus on teaching you how to do the basic thing, and you can pick your design according to your own taste. So for the next one we have let's say we're going to design it in a different way. So we've got summer, winter, summer, rain season, and then autumn. So we've got here autumn, the photo for the autumn, and we're going to scale it down a little bit, and then we're going to put it here, and then we're going to add some text. So is increase the size, autumn. So there, it looks too boring, I gotta change it. So there you go. And here we have this space in this place. We are going to add some description here. So what we're going to do is add a text box, and then we're going to say something about autumn, or describe the season a little bit. So I'm just going to say I love autumn very much, and it is my favorite season. Ah, to change the spelling. Okay, so here we have the text, and we can actually adjust it to the side. So I mean wherever we want to. So when you click, when you hover the mouse on top of the box, you can see this cross thingy. When you see this cross thingy, you're going to click it, and then you can drag it. And then there are other options. You can change it a little bit, like stretch it more if you want to. And there are other options, as in like you can rotate it, or like maybe you can just make it like this if you want to. So that's that. And then I'm just gonna go ahead and quickly finish the whole slide. After that, we have late autumn. We're going to go here, adjust it to the box, and then we're going to write something up on top. So we have select size, late autumn. So there. Okay, so we have a lot of options for designing text. So if you want to design the text, what you have to do is select this text box, right click on it, scroll down, and there's an option called format shape. So if you click format shape, you're going to have options for the shape, and there's like 3 other options. And then if you select text option, you're going to have 3 other options for designing text. So there are loads of choices. You can see there's like shadow, reflection, glow, soft edges, 3D format, and other things. You can actually when you're trying to learn, you can experiment it on your own. All you have to do is select the text and select different options and see how it works out. So we are done with that. Okay, now I'm going to show you how to use transition. So for this picture, we are going to go up here. We're going to select this picture and then select transitions, and then we're going to go up here and select. And for me, I like this one the best. So you can go for this one, and then for this one you can select the picture first and then go here, and then go for this one. There you go. And for next one, we're just gonna go for push. So you can add your all types of transition if you want to. And what else? I think we're done, and you can actually add some shapes if you want to. It's up to you. So what I'm going to do is quickly finish the PowerPoint, because I'm just trying to teach the basic, and we are going to dive deeper into it maybe next time when we study it. So let's go for winter. And adding picture is like no big deal. You just have to download the picture and then keep it in a folder, and then open the folder and drag it down to the PowerPoint. It's that simple. So what we're going to do is like resize it and then add something, add a text again, size. So we have winter. And then next we have spring. So we're just going to adjust the photo. And then we're going to go to insert. It's the same process over and over again. So we're going to add the text. Spring. This text looks boring. Let's go with something that looks nicer. Maybe we're just going to go for, I've got this one favorite one, so let's go with this one. No, this is not my favorite. This one's my favorite. So we're done basically, and then we're just going to add some transitions to the photo. Like, let's go wild and pick something cool. So we've got this one for this one, and then we're just gonna add push, and then we have got this one. No, maybe go for box. Sorry, window. There's a one called like box. This one's better. And actually, we cannot choose options like this one and this one. Let me show you what this one does. So it's kind of cool, but it's not formal. So when we're going to do formal presentation, we're not going to use transitions that are not standard. So we're just going to go and pick this one. And then for spring, we're going to pick this one again. So then I think we're pretty much done. And what else can I show you? Okay, first let me tell you how you're going to do the presentation. When you open the slide, you're going to have your front page, and you're going to design it in a way that kind of gives the viewer the idea about what you're presenting. And then you're going to have like lots of different slides on different topics. So you've got like this summer and all the seasons listed down here. So whenever you start, what you're going to do is go to the first slide, and to navigate you're going to use the mouse. If you click the mouse, you're going to change, and then if you press the arrow button, it's going to change. But it's going to only happen if you go to this here. When we start the presentation, we are going to go up here, and then it says start from beginning, or shortcut is F5. So if you click this one, it's going to go full screen. So let's see what happens. So here you go. So when this page comes, what you're going to do is give a little introduction about your presentation, what you're going to talk about. And then to navigate, you can click the screen, like click the mouse, or you can press right arrow key. It works the same. So we're going to go next, and then we have rainy season. When this slide comes, you can talk about rainy season, what you like about it, what you dislike about it, and then you can go for this one, and you can talk about autumn and why you like it so much, or if you don't like it, you can talk about it and what happens, anything that you want to talk about. And then when this slide comes, you're going to talk about late autumn, and then when you're done, you're just going to press right arrow, and then your slide is going to change, and you're going to talk about winter. So whenever you're giving PowerPoint presentation, you usually talk about different topics, and PowerPoint helps you with giving a visual presentation. And there are lots and lots of other options. but we are not going to talk about that today. We're just going to learn how to do the basic PowerPoint, and this is what the final product looks like. So, right, that's it for today. If you guys want to learn anything else about PowerPoint, do ask me. I will teach you. So, bye bye.